Hi everyone, it's Marquis. Let's talk about the round rich jewelry box. I bought this for my daughter so she can keep all of her little bracelets and necklaces and earrings in here. She has absolutely loved it. It does have this little buckle clasp right here that you open, has a little ballerina and then a mirror. On the inside, if you can see, it does have a space for your rings and then the little box right here. It also has this drawer that opens, so you can keep your little necklaces or whatever you need in there. It is lined with this pink velvet. It's really soft. It won't scratch your jewelry. It is a wind up, so on the back, it does just have this little wind, and then the ballerina spins, which my daughter absolutely loves. It does play to the tune of Swan Lake. It is about 7 inches long, about 4.5 inches in depth, and then about 4 inches tall. So it's perfect little size. It holds all of her things and she has absolutely loved it. She's had this for probably since Christmas, so about 4 months, maybe a little bit over 4 months. It's held up really well, hasn't gotten broken, it hasn't gotten damaged in any way, and she uses it all day, every day. So if you were in the market for something like this, if you have a little girl or a little granddaughter, somebody that you're looking to buy something cute for, I would highly recommend this product. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.